Welcome to Pavithra Laptop Care. Mr. Param?
Welcome, sir.
Okay, what is the case today?
Today, a customer complaint, no display, no powering on.
Okay, no display, no power on.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Actually, what is the problem? You need to check first. Okay. How you will check?
Just first, I will check power on button.
You can talk in your own language, no issues.
Okay. First ನಾನು ಪವರ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತೇನೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ.
Okay. First you will power on the laptop and then you will check.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
DC making.
Now DC on, you are switching on, right?
Yes.
What is the DC reading?
DC reading 0.016.
Okay. Switch it in, right?
ಪವರ್ ಬಟನ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ.
Okay.
28,
it's glowing.
27. Yes.
So what the reading is 0.028. 25 to 28 is fluctuating. 18 again. Again you switch it on. When light goes, the time it's 0.027 or 25 like that, right?
Yes, sir.
See, till the light, so
Down.
more than 20. If it is a 0, I mean it is in off condition, then it comes to 0.016 to 19, right? So in this situation, what you will do?
ಬಯಸ್ ಒಂದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಸರ್.
Okay, you want to go for bias first,
Bias,
right?
yes.
Okay, you can try. Carry on. This laptop service is your own, so you have to use your own idea. Okay. Carry on. So first you need to disconnect the battery and power supply. That you know very well, right? Okay. Motherboard remove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ. Okay, good. What is the model number? See top side. LA. Here.
Yeah. LA-4101P.
4101P. Okay. This is actually CQ40 model. Okay.
Yeah.
Laptop model number is CQ40.
CQ4.
This is LA-4101P. So you told you will do bias, right?
Yes, sir.
So where is the bias chip? From top to bottom you can check.
Yes.
Got?
Yes.
Which one?
This one.
Okay, let me check. Yes, what is the name? MX. Just a minute. See the name MX 15G something is there, right?
Yes.
So 8005. It's 1 MB. 1 MB bias. First you need to remove the bias. Let us do the bias and then you can check.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Remove that. Now program has done. Okay. Now directly close. Press and open. Slowly you have to press this one. Okay, just you open from bottom side. Okay, now you write, I mean solder it. Okay, Mr. Param, what you did now?
ಬಯಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಈಗ.
Okay,
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಏನು.
I have done the bias programming, right? Okay, now you are checking. Initially you told some variation are there in amp, so that's the reason you reprogram the bias, right? So you connecting to DC. After bias, any improvement?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನೋ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Okay.
ಬಯಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
Okay. What could be the problem as per your knowledge?
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಣ.
Okay.
DC ಜಾಗಿಂದ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಿಂದ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು.
Okay, from DC jack you are going to check now. Okay, you can check. So where is the DC jack?
ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Okay.
ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
Okay.
ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Okay, done. Now first you are checking the continuity, right?
Yes sir. DC jack number 5.
So first you are identifying the MOSFET.
Yes.
First and second MOSFET.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ ಕಾಯಿಲಿಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದು. ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Okay.
ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ DC ಜಾಕ್ ಕಾಯಿಲಿಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತದ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ.
Okay.
ಎಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಇದು.
Okay.
ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್.
Okay, there are two coils.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಯಿಲ್.
Continuity is there. Okay.
Okay.
Now after coil.
Coil MOSFET sir.
Okay.
MOSFET drain.
Drain.
Yes.
Okay.
Drain to source.
And what about MOSFET short or not?
No.
There is no short, right?
No short sir. Okay.
MOSFET is good.
PQ 101.
Okay. PQ 101. That is the first MOSFET.
First MOSFET. ಇದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ PQ 103 ಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Okay.
ಅದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದು.
Okay.
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Source in the sense first MOSFET source to second MOSFET source. Okay.
PQ 103. PQ 103. Sorry, PQ 103. Yes.
Checking source, right?
Yes sir.
Is that source?
No.
Confirm. How you will identify it is a source or not?
Right. This is drain. This is source.
Source. How?
One symbol is here.
Symbol. Okay. Dot. From dot,
Drain.
it's a 1.
Yes, 1.
Not drain, it's a source.
Yes.
Now you are checking from not, right? I mean dot. Continuity
Source.
is there.
Yes.
Okay. Source. And second MOSFET drain. You check that second MOSFET is short or not. How you will check?
Drain. Source to drain.
No, not that one. I think so. Just now you check PQ.
Sorry. This one. PQ 103.
3. Yeah, name also mentioned, right? Okay.
This one source. Drain.
Okay. And gate to source, gate to drain. That also you need to check. Okay. There is no short. First you need to check the short. Okay, yes. MOSFET is good. Okay, next. The drain, where it has gone?
Drain sir. Drain sir.
From there, where it has gone?
Means sir?
Where it has gone? Illi connect agide. Drain in the illi connect agide.
Yes sir. Drain to yes. Here sir. PR 102.
What is that?
Coil.
Not coil.
Sorry, CLR.
Yes.
CLR sir.
Okay. From CLR only all over the motherboard. I mean, whole motherboard
yes.
will get the supply.
CLR, sir. Drain to CLR.
Okay. Now
PR
without power
102.
supply you checked. Okay. With connectivity.
Yes, just to check continuity, sir.
Continuity. Okay. Now you are going to check with supply.
Yes.
Now what you are going to do?
ಈಗ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಾಯಿತು.
Okay.
ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Okay.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ಪೆಟು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಪೆಟು ಮತ್ತು CLR.
Okay. Good.
ನಮಗೆ 19.50 ಬರಬೇಕು ಈಗ.
Okay.
ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Okay.
ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೌಂಡಿಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ DC ಜಾಕ್ ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Okay. Now you are checking DC jack.
Yes. Number 5.
19.48.
19.48.
Hmm.
Actually 19.50.
50 means it's 0.02 voltage getting
Drop
dropped.
ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
Okay. Somewhere.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು
Hmm.
ಈಗ ಡ್ರೈನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ಪೆಟ್
Okay.
PQ 101.
First you checked coil, right?
Yes.
Previously.
ಫಸ್ಟ್
So
ಕಾಯಿಲ್
that also you can check.
ಓಕೆ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್
Okay. Same voltage.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಸೇಮ್.
Okay.
ಓಕೆ ಡ್ರೈನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೈನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೇಮ್
Drain same.
ಓಕೆ ಸೋರ್ಸ್
19.48 same.
ಈಗ ಗೇಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Almost same, no?
Yes.
Okay. 7.57.
57
Okay.
ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ಪೆಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಪೆಟ್ ಚೆಕ್.
Now you are going to check second MOSFET. If you are feeling uncomfortable, you can switch it off and you can turn it.
PQ 103. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಪೆಟ್.
Okay.
ಡ್ರೈನ್
19.47.
47 ಬಂತು. ಓಕೆ ಸೋರ್ಸ್
48 or 47. 19.48.
ಗೇಟ್
7.58. Correct.
58.
So PQ 101 and 103 both gate are same.
ಓಕೆ
Both are connected to each other.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು
CLR.
CLR.
Okay.
CLR
So till CLR means from DC jack to CLR it's 19.48. Constant voltage is available. Okay. But only one small dot is its DC is 19.50, but we are getting 19.48. Only 0.02 voltage drop. Okay. Anyway, we'll check later. So now what you are going to do?
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು.
Now charging section is okay, right?
ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐಒದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಯಿಶ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
Okay. You cleaned the IO.
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
Okay.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೌಟ್ ಹೊಡಿತಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು 0.2 ಅಂತ. 0.2 ಅಷ್ಟು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Okay. Now what about 3-5 volts? Will you check?
ಎಸ್ 3-5 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Now you are checking 3-5 volts coil.
PL 302.
Okay. There is no voltage.
Both side.
So 3 volts unable to get.
Yes, sir.
Next.
302 complete, sir.
Carefully. You do one thing. So connect that power supply. Just press the power button and check 3 volts. Okay. In that case also you can check. Anyway, power button is glowing, right? So now you connected the supply. So that coil.
Press the power button, sir.
You can check. check the coil.
Yes.
See, it's available.
Yes, sir.
Okay. By mistake, if you do some R&D in 3 volts, definitely you are not a technician. Okay, you won't be become a technician. Okay, anyway, so now after pressing power button, you are getting 3 volts here, right? So once power button goes off, then you won't get it, right?
Yes, sir.
Check. Check once again. Now we are getting, but power button. Now you check. Are you checking? Check. You are getting. Actually, properly you want to hold the probe, I
Yes,
think so,
yes,
in the
yes.
coil. That may be the problem, I think
Yes,
so.
sir.
So this is always on. You do one thing. Once again, you remove the, you disconnect the charger. I mean, this one, this jack. And again, you connect and you check once again. It's available or not. Sometimes mistakes will happen. That's common. Okay. It's a beginning stage. Now again, you can check. See the what is it reading? If you are getting
No word.
0.034, then you won't get anything, right?
Yes.
There, DC reading. Now, when you press the power button and relief, then you will get the voltage. Again, you try. Okay. Now check the DC.
DC reader.
See the changes here. DC reading is 0.010, then you are getting 3 volts. Right. Now it's switched off, right? No, same thing. But once again, you press the one. You do one thing. Don't remove the probe.
Okay.
Keep on the coil.
Okay.
Now you press the power button. See, after pressing the power button also, you are getting 3.4 voltage.
DC value is?
DC value is 0.023 is there. When you disconnect and connect, that time it's going to 37 something, right? 0.037 something. Now it's available. So initially it's giving some kind of issue. Starting when you connect the DC jack, that time the DC amp is going now. That time it's giving somewhere something problem. That you need to check. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here, what about 5 volts? That also you can check.
PL 303.
That is 5 volts, right? See, once you connect, that 47 is going. That should not happen. See, in that condition, 5 volts, what will be the result? No, right? Once you press the power button, again it will become normal. Press the power button. Don't leave the probe. You keep on the coil. Now you can press the power button. Otherwise, I will press. Okay. Button.
This side.
That side. When I press the power button, here 5 volts available. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So in DC amp, when it will be 0.37, this problem happening. That you need to find out where exactly the problem. You do one thing. Simply you remove the what is the CLR. Then you connect the DC jack and you check. Mr. Param, now what you are doing?
ಸರ್ ಈಗ CLR ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
Okay.
ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ,
Okay.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Okay.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿದೆ,
ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಸೈಡ್.
ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಸೈಡ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನೋ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ
ಓಕೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಂತು.
Same problem in the sense it's a 0.37 something, right, in DC.
ನಾನೀಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ,
Okay.
ಈಗ 3 ಮತ್ತು 5 ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಕಾಯಿಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ.
ಓಕೆ,
ಕಾಯಿಲು
ಡೌನ್ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ಡೌನ್.
ಹಾಂ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಓಕೆ,
ಈ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಈಗ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 3-5 volts.
ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
Okay, now see, you removed the CLR and you checked, so input section is good and output section was the problem, right?
Yes.
So when you again connected the CLR and now you disconnect the input path of 3-5 section, right? So now you are checking what is the result. Okay, it means what are the CLR path you are checking step by step, where exactly the problem that you are identifying, right? Okay, now you are connecting to DC. Oh yes, 0.003. Okay, here 3-5 section completely disconnected, but here constant. You remove the input coil, right?
Yes.
Now it's a 19.5 volts input coming or not. Please check input of the input path. That coil which you removed, right? So their input path will be there. Inductor. What voltage you are getting? That you check. That side, opposite side.
Yes.
See, exactly you are getting DC voltage.
Same voltage.
So here you come to know the problem is with 3-5 section.
Yes.
Okay, now what you will do?
After
You already checked 3-5 always is coming.
Yes, sir.
Now what you will do?
ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇದನ್ನ.
Okay,
ಈಗ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡೋಣ
Okay.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ.
Okay,
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ
LDO 3-5 section is generating. That LDO where it has gone?
ಐಒ ಕಡೆ
Ah.
ಬರೋ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ
Correct.
ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು
So
ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
now you are going to disconnect the IO section.
Yes.
IO section in the sense 3 volts LDO, right?
3 volts.
Okay, you try. Now what you did?
ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ,
Okay.
ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಪುನಃ.
So which you disconnected the coil, you again you connected, right?
Yes,
Reconnected. Okay, next.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Hmm.
ಐವದಿಂದ 3.3 ಮತ್ತೆ 3 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ 5 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ,
Okay.
ಐವಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ,
Okay.
ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿಯನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
Okay, means IO supply you are going to disconnect, right? Okay, IO means it's LDO, 3 volts LDO. Okay, now you are going to connect the what is it? DC jar. What are the changes? See, now also it's a 0003. So 3-5 volts didn't up. Okay, you check, you can check. See, when you connect this, when you checking the short, see 3 volts LDO short, then the DC amp is increasing, right? Here you are getting 3.3 volts LDO. Okay, here it means from here to what is that, IO, that connectivity may be the issue. Means 3 volts is passing from 3 volt section to IO LDO, means somewhere issue with LDO, sorry, IO. Because see, till here when you disconnected the LDO from 3-5 section, it's good, amp is good, right? When you are going to connect the IO, then only you are getting the problem. So it means the problem with IO section, because you already told some fungus was there in IO section.
Yes, sir.
Okay, initially I was supposed to tell you, but this is your initial stages, right? You have to understood, you have to step by step increase your knowledge. So practical knowledge also you have to increase, and theoretically you have to come out from those ideas. I mean, so ideas you have to create. So So that's the reason I didn't tell anything. Okay. See, because of this issue, you checked CLR section and first MOSFET, second MOSFET, right? Charging section completely you checked. CLR section you checked. And one more thing you come to know that 3-5 volts also always also was available when you press the power button. Now you press the power, you disconnect, right? Okay, anyway. So now finally you come to the 3-5 section and you disconnect the LDO. Then you finally come to know it's a problem with IO section, right? This is the way to identify exactly where is the problem. Initially you didn't know any problem, I mean what is the problem exactly, where you have to check, right? So once you do this practice one by one, if you check, you come to know where exactly the problem. Okay, this is a simple, I mean for you it's complicated, but anyway now it made it easy, right? So by practice it will become easy. Okay, we can disconnect here this practice session. So actually the problem with maybe IO only. So later on I will check and I will rectify the problem. Okay, thank you, Mr. Param.